Yeah, me and Lorenzo are in the garage doing a project. Here we go. What?
Here we go. I said here we go with you.
Say it louder. Here we go. What?
Here we go.
All right, here we go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a review video and install on this CINOTON outdoor LED light that turns on automatically when it gets dark and turns off automatically when the sun comes up. We're going to be installing it right there on the front of the garage. So what we got to do first to check this thing out. It's really neat. It's very simple to use, very simple to install. You just got to take these 4 screws off, take this thing off, hardwire your electric, you know, and then just mount it, obviously. So we're going to be drilling a hole here for our electric, and it's going to be fairly simple. And so here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and take this thing apart real quick so I can get the wires exposed. Show you how simple this is. 4 little screws.
Just gotta unscrew it.
Yeah. All right, so check it out. So this is what it looks like on the inside, taken apart. It's real simple. You got your green, your black, your white, and then you just hook that to your, you know, your wire, whatever you're going to use. You got these wire nuts that it came with. Make sure you use some electrical tape so you're extra safe. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes out of these things, and then I'm going to go ahead and double check my placement outside, and then we'll see you towards the end when we get it installed and we'll test it out. All right, you guys, here we are. We finally got it installed. It was like maybe 5 minutes. It was so simple. Drill the holes in the back plate, wire tie and electrical tape the wires, and put the reflective plate back on, screw everything in, put the thing back on, the lens, and we're gonna test it out now. Let's see. I'm gonna put my hand over the sensor, and it should turn on.
Gotta give it a minute.
Oh, there it goes.
It's pretty bright, actually.
We'll have to see what it looks like tonight. But yeah, as soon as I take my hand off the sensor, boom. So check it out. What do you guys think? This should light up the front of the garage at night in the dark. What do you got, jazz hands going on? You and your jazz hands. But that's what it looks like, you guys. CINOTON outdoor 26 watt LED. I don't remember what they call it. The light sensor, light photo, dark and light sensor, dark and light photo sensing sensor thingamajig. I don't know. Anyway, the link will be in the description box below for this particular item. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like at night as soon as the sun goes down. So stay tuned for that part coming up right now. All right, you guys, we are back. It is nighttime. Got a little bit of a fire going here, as you can see. And guess what? It's 6 o'clock on the dot, actually. Sun just went down. This is what it looks like when the sun goes down. And this is how much light you need for the light to turn on automatically. There you go. Take a look at how much light and how much area it's lighting up. It's lighting up the whole front of the garage, which is perfect. All like right here. Perfect. Perfect. Nice. I like it. So check out the link in the description box below for this particular item, and let me know what you think. CINOTON outdoor lighting for the win, as usual. So thanks for watching. Comment below, let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys have these. Hit that link and go get you some if you don't. We're out of here. Thanks for watching.